Yeah, sure, bafethu it's your boy, it's a mental team to my dad, definitely 7 nakhona mkhulu. Yeah, bafethu namhlanje we back with another bang. We having the co-founder of Katoras Juventus, Mpho meets Muloi. So, Mqeqeshi please introduce him.
Sure, bafethu igama uMpho kaMloyi abantu abaningi bamazi ngo2 minutes. I-owner ne-coach eKatoras Juventus currently edlala ku-SAB League.
Yeah, bafethu ezinizwile umqeqeshi ashilo mfethu. And I guess lonke lento lizositshela ukuthi siqale kanjani. And before the coaching part, uqale waba yi-football player in which is ngathanda ukucaba ukuthi i-career yakhe iqale kanjani i-football before siya ku-coaching.
Yakudala. Yeah, i-disc ngaqala ukudlala maybe ngenza grade 4, grade 5. Une-team bebathi Samdo yala eKaslami ngaseSamhlole kaMkhumpi East. From lapho sadlala. Then ngamuva to ikule class yala ikule. After ikule class ngadlala eNew Jack City.
Ubona ngakhi that time?
I think mangidlala ikule class I think benginoma 12 ngadlala 2 years. Mase ngina 14 yeah ngamuvela to New Jack City nakhona influence abangani. I would say so it's a skill and skill yabo siphothwala ezibhazi New Jack City yabo. So njalo maze gym ukuthi sigym Monday mina off gym Tuesday Thursday. So ngokuzikhapha egym yabo. So ngagcina kanjalo ngayo New Jack City ngadlala lapha ngina 14 up until ngisho matric. Yeah, last year ngidlala New Jack City ngisho matric lapha. From lapho ngaqala ku-ABC ngadlala ku-Katoras. After Katoras ngaya eLimpopo ngadlala neZedolphins FC ngadlala ku-ABC. Ngabuya still eKasi ngadlala ku-Katoras la. Nakhona mangibuya eKasi ngapproach enye intwana Mafia. Ithi cela ngizoyibukela idlala lenye team yabo. Like iMafia ngeskill uHotman lakhe. So mangikhola eKasi ngihambe ngiyabukela bangamfaki kuyistole.
Yeah.
So mangibathe ukuthi ngize for weekend akadlalanga umuntu benyavaya. Mangibuya after 2 months eKasi athi man 2. Sicela usivulele team yethu la eKasi yabo ngoba siyabona ngathi somningi eKasi. Ngathi hayi ngizoyicabanga bafethu. So mangibatshela kanjalo ngabuya eKatoras sadlala ngeBC. Yarelegate team. Angabona ngesikhathi esibhayi eKasi no ngababiza labafana. iKatoras Juventus yacela kanjalo nje. Ngiapproach kaMafia angicela ukuthi bajimise ngibavulele team eKasi ever since bona bahlala emabhenchini abadlali. Should my say found abantu abangadlala emabhenchini.
Ibona amabhenchini.
Sayicela kanjalo into leyo.
So before soqala le team yakho ne budlala nabaSpring Villa ni ubewila amapiki or bewenza kalanga ngaleso sikhathi because of I guess masibala kuma lesi iKatoras lesi top 20 or best players besikubala la which is ya le group yenu le ya kusibuda Mpho masibala nje top 10 aseKatoras besikubala la which is namanje I guess is still there nasikhuluma ngabanye abantu. Especially Bodlani right back, so we knew it's okay. It's 2 minutes. Okay, but 2 minutes to Katoras. What made that name? In a creative, but 2 minutes to Katoras.
Mina ngitshela kahle into creative lokho. Just mina ngishaya ispan yabo. Mangicala ukudlala ibhola bengidlala eziningi ngatheka. Mase sifoma le team yethu yenekeni. Bathola ukuthi akunama full back. And mina noMoka besileza amawina yabo. Sawatshela amajita like sahlangana so emadoda sicabanga ukuvusa into eso asijoyinile futhi bahamba bafaka imali. Asazi amaplayer ngokwani kuzenzakalani.
Yeah.
Match day nelidlala inamatheka kuphela kunama center back ayithu. Nale yaMoka sacrifice sathi hayi ndoda. Angibambe ngale
ngapha siyaphambili.
Kanta ngaba into vele ejelayo.
Ngaba interaction
kanjalo full back lapha so yeah man I guess nale 2 minutes to Katoras saqala before siya kuyenekela besidlalela yona iKatoras Juventus naboMpho nabobana lo la uthile besiphethe yabhola la uthile yabo so nami mangivusa labafana bese nganagama so sathi njengoba ngidlalela iCatholic Juventus ayinani iCatholic Juventus sibone ukuthi siphuma kanjani impela lapha yabo
so
start kanjani into
so Catholic Juventus, for what I know of in Catholic Juventus, it's a development in the academy actually, because of I guess I know my player, my buyer, who are coming the likes of Uma Fezush, which is my favorite bench woman. Tata was cool selling. You choose one thing I say like the big player, yeah, the big player. Even in Namanja, we still have names that are probably used as an example. So the likes of Upo, because of I remember there was even the Martin after post of Venus Snaps, so I didn't do cool Martin you were in but then I will comment that what you know of each. And what then so poster is Tommy Sako for Popo and say first Loras. What made that confusion or that conflict?
Ndaba ezinye izinto fana angakuyazi la khe yakuzayithola kuphi yabo thina sasingadlali that day bacela umfana ukuthi ayobadlalela so angina problem mina masi off lapha masi off akunajayi lapha wavaya umfana wayodlala lucky enough wa performance sharp umfana of which akusinto engisurprise ayo ngazi lo mfana lo ngamthola setimtimi ala timtima mncane ana 6 mangithi ngiyakubo ngicela lo mfana bathi use crash ngabloma ngamela wona umuntu yabuye crash akaze ngale ground ngamthatha na 6 lo mfana ngifaka wagrowa ma performa lapha bekungasinto enje angisho mina ngihlala ngibona emaliki so yena uyenze ukugcwela abantu
tournament
so nabantu bamaza dlalela i1010 lapha ya kule tournament so and akusinto wrong nakhona iplatform ugawe amajeta so bamcova da so abantu bekela ama message ini mfana lo ngathi bafethi mangingancane ngaposta nesithombe ukuthi ngifuna ngikhulume ba comment ngayishiya njani into awumpophathi ngumfana la ukubelela Catholic Juventus ever since adlala league alikeni ikhathi team elizovela since ana 6 la up until manje recently
Pirates, yeah. So uyabona wena nayo yonke into yakhe but then uyabaza abantu bahlizi bakhuluma it was a big confusing because of mangilandela indaba yakho I was like okay because of nami ngabona I guess it was 13 14 yeah 13 14 years ngakhumbula ngaleso sikhathi leso it was Popo nabo and akukhulisa ngoPopo kuphela I guess nginabo Batista semato boyayikho yokugcina boyileza manje then nabo Sidli nabo
nabo Captain ezulini group yokucala
abokhile
abo professor beza bo Batista ngaphansi bayashiyana
ngama-group
yabo Batista sokule group
so kahle iCatholic sidlala u2 minutes kahle i-development yakhe idlala kulama team amakhulu so called big teams
mayidlala tournament lapha team neteam enkulu sport player
it's okay no uphuma la development so okay asiyenza kanje mangathi ngimentionele big 5 let's say they say called big players ama player 5 amakhulu 4 team yakho singabala kanti
recently
bonke like from really move event
engangasifana nabo
yeah wonke from development yakho ukuthi iduna striker from club yakho uqala yabo Mafia nabo Beli
sizoyiqala kuma 95 unfortunately as mina if bidlala yabo group ama 95 asithi ama 95 amanda 17
yeah
ngizoba nama 97 98 yabo Shooting kule group lesingabala uSibusiso Nkosi Capital because samdlalisa under 20 ana 16 uSibusiso after bona yawuthula nimeketsi
which is like zone 3 sakhona zone 3
sihambe siyangaphansi omunye kaba into ehoti uyiBatista hayi ukuthi laba abanye bebangaperform yabo so uthi naye uye waba ilelo player lelo then recently sekushota bayi2 recently baningi kakhulu.
Recently manje sebawaningi.
Recently baningi kakhulu. So akekho ngizothi lo njani bonke baperforma great. Because namanje kuzoba yenye pressure ngifaka mangizothi lo
nalo especially manje ngempela because isimo sebenza ngayo manje but lawayana vele because of I saw kulento le usibana kudlala usihlungoni kula ile SSU udlala
SSU nabo
umnto yeah nayo kuba into enkulu like Vino Snaps ngakhumbula trainer from Ivana kusesemusa ne-10 and kuba ngaba nama 2K ngoba nemusa like balance la because nginama 2K namusa kwa the last time ngibheka manje ama 2K bekudlala bomango Batista Ntobo
festival
sisama 2K manje bekudlala banalezala nge-left skate yabona lokhu play yabo Uzi lokhu kuyala lokho ama 2K seselechize game ifika lechize game so what changed igama le team la because of no kaba ma 2K baba imusa then back to Katwa Juventus what happened
yabona kunamention amagama abantu yabo amajita but December bekumele adlale kuMusa United ama 2K lo into ngakho ngaba ne confusion encane yabo njengoba iMusa bedlala ama-Phillies game yabo bedlala ngenye team so amajita bayangana sure if la isomhlolo uza leyo team ozodlala bona yabo so amajita ama-approacha athama to thina sikhona lento kudala sinye yabo because mina bese ngidecide ngicedile to focus kulezi Katwa Juventus and ngiyakona ama-join ukuthi tournament because 98% yabafana bedlala ngabo Juventus first time badlala tournament eHood yabo so amajita athama to asifuna ukuhlala kuphela or sizithole sesigcwele asenze impressive ngithi okay ngicabanga bathi okay sithi ama 2K yabo ngithi sharp ahlanganiseni sidlalile yabo as long as ngifuna ukudlala amajita weza vele wayonaka icollab unfortunately azange awin tournament or progressive far lapha but gaba ne confusion yana ukuthi kuyodlala bobani yabo because makuzodlala iMusa first day neRobi lapha azange sadlala game amajita wa prepared athaze game ngaba ne message ekuthiwa bangayida yabo sathi okay sharp basitshela ukuthi kunespace so sathi asiyenzelana yabo agame amajita just to bring lento le dala badlala bonke yabo yakho ukuthi my December kuyaba
nama confusion nama
because boyi tournament yabo bis 3 ayi bis 4 la December uqala bayiwina yobis 2 badlula final sesifikile ne yobis 3 ngaba nalento le ukuthi uref ukwenze ushayiwe inenkumbula azange kusaqhubeka bathi izomthola progress lebo kubis 4 bebane chance ebhayi ukuthi bayiwine labantu labo if izinto beziba
so anyabuza because of I guess nabuda ngo la besakhuluma ngama 2K so there's iMusa futhi in between the lines which is Musa United nayo ini I guess Hispaniola na ni Musa kakhulu so for isikhathi singakanani Hispaniola ni Musa United
4 to 5 years Musa if I'm not mistaken 5 laba bafana bebadlala isine bana 18 ama 2001 ne Bana 21, ama 4 years or 5 years Spanish and it's grateful Sky platform digital amarizo wabo mina
sure okay umlife my bizana kwenza
na mama approach umlife ithi baba zwala uzosikhothele CPT mate yabo I was like I was mina ya develop lapha phezulu ngazi kenzekala bangfoster up until senzile lapha yabamlife Musa yonke opportunity ukuthi ungayenza lento nalapha phezulu yabo ungayenzi phansi kuphela.
So but still I feel like ngathi noma ulapha phezulu you still believe ukusebenzisa abantwana abancane believe la ku development yakho lento ukuthi udlala abantu abadala angiboni even namanje uqeda nokuwina eLhlasiko bodlala abantwana abancane which is development yakho even though si first team and even at December mina ama-tournament ayi-2 in a space of 4 months on December we thathe iMakam then in a space of 3 months 4 months down the line so we need like eGatsiko futhi so it's the same squad ayikho echangile it's there and there phela lapho nalapho ukuthi okay ilona lo phe awachangile so after shoot your instance our player league ku-tournament
mina ngilivela kule nto le once sisipana sisonke yabo once siluza angeke kube nokuthi lona lo usilisile yabo siyabuya sonke sizirectify sharp kuzoba nokucabana kancane yabo but ngilivela ku 80 or 90% ama players engisipana nawo from dala nakuma 2K man ngokabantu sisipana nabo yabo silanda lapho nalapho la kushota khona siyaze njengelikasiko okay December upfront besinosihle sinophopho sinomesi which is intokozo dlalelwe Sundowns Poppy Pirates usihle UG ayikho le front away yabo kumele senzeni siyaphansi development sharp sibaqalise laba abanye abasha sithi introduce but masibona ngathi level yabahamba that's when sizothatha i-call sithi okay lapha sino Wilson yabo sigcine silandeni Ronaldo ngosivala ispace lo silanda umunye vala la but i-core teams keep yona yabo nawo umuntu omdala ngiyakuspanisa mina zilom uzosipana nentwana yabo ungafisa azikhukhumeze njengosifisa umuntu sifisa lekafika ka down to earth afite grand aspane lapha nabafana ngapha angifuni umuntu ozothatha i-team abone kahle uphilana nethi sizoba nejayi yabo i-flop yama-senior player amaningi hence ngingabhiliveli kakhulu kubo lapha
because so you feel like baphikele the way forward
asashawa kangako yabo
iseba
amagama phambili masiye egamini awuyasowina yabo so le ntwana amaziya zifuna ukwaziwa nazo zifuna ukufaka i-effort yabo because masingabheka ne-genius eLKC better against abantu ababafavorayo day 1 up until final so yabo
so okay kuwe i-defeat yabo Atletico mawuzodla ama-10-10 because of the favorite we-tournament mawuzodla ama-10-10 like how was it kuwe or to the boys or into oyishilo kuwe ebafana ukuthi okay my chance dlala against ama-10-10 this is what you do
hasn't the advantage yamane masodlala against ama-10-10 amanye amajita ngidlalile nawo ngiyamazi lo solo yabatshela abajita laba abancane yabo mawachekile nato ama-10-10 nabafana bayabafoster nabantu labo but ngibatshelile bafethu in order ukuthi ngifuna ukumaintaina le nto le kumele nidlela abantu yabo angeke ngivile yonke into ngithe lo ayenzile ayenzile but abafana basipanile ngibagayile ne-confidence ukuthi ngayenza manje le nto le sike sayenza before yabo ngeke ngayenza nangenye i-group so nani lapha akunamuntu engizomlanda ngibhilivela kimi after the 4 days siyelikini yabo ukuthi sizoresta 3 days siyelikini same team lapha so just ngokuba game time yona le game lebo kwigame ubukele
umuntu yayivina kuma
nama sayise analyze abascorer ngithi share goal thina sabakho so kwigame balance amajita asigayile game asigayile game lapha kakhulu.
So because of into engibonile ugoalkeeper wakho kwale igama elisha like ube ngaba we tournament yonke because of ama-penalty awasavile in December bekana ama-mistakes and abantu bangamthimbi nyana lapha eSonhlolo because of I guess tournament eSonhlolo ngiphelele yonke then so bekana ama-mistake amaningi. So kemanga ngizama ukubheka ama-post lapha kuma-Facebook, IG kuyavela kaningi, TikTok kuyavela kaningi passing yakhe like makalenza ama-mistake kanjalo uthini ubuye influencer kanjani uthini umntwana I can do better.
Ngizayikumbana okhulele la eklabhini ne uthi afika eklabhini ka-under 11 makaba na 13 years samka School of Excellence yabo abloma boma 5 years yabloma 5 years yahamba na 12 athena 13 ya School of Excellence kambe yaqeda matric last year chuthi 5 years uspende esikolweni lapha yabo ubuya last year sakazodlala i-tournament like December umuntu wethu okhule namajita but uyahamba amncane yabo but bayazi ukuthi kunokhipha wesikole lapha so makayenza amaphutha angisho ngiyazi ukuthi angayenzani noma ubani angayenza just ngiyamtshela ukuthi indlulise ama speed yabo futhi le final besidlala January nesnack omunye umuntu bekamcindezela so lapha lo wamthethisa half time yabo but ngiyazi ukuthi capable of winning lapha yabo because le goal number 2 e-final lapha iphuma kumthathu udlala long pass balifika walcutback kophupho lapha sahamba so same goes nalapha ya uJunior Khanye Mthupeni uperformile lapha ya perform sharp intwana manje grand sasencane yabo so nje na play top
yeah and I like confidence confident
sasencane confident ama top 6 to 5 uthena 18 90 athena 19
sesenejeni inkulu and ecabanga nje uthena 18 shothi sesenesikhathi sibhaya kangakanani like sesenama opportunities amabhayi actually club ngikho but then I guess now ezukhona ezucoach sengithi kuwe ama player athinti images wanike ama club amakhulu so ungabala all in all ayengakhi kuma development at City currently
by 2 which is Mpopo Pirates and Tawazo Sundowns abanye bake bavaya before babuye team nabo Mtoko baya ku school nabo uthatha School of Excellence nabantu beba registered eklapini lekhina yabo laba abanye bokwabantu abasijoyina abanoma 18 adlale sekamuva yabo njengokhakho Khumuzi udlale le team ngoma 2 years yabo udlala ku PSL today but angeke simclaim ezivuye yabo azange be registered nathi wadlala wamuva lapha ya so faksa selabo baphumile nje babhaya basazova
futhi yapikivela kuwe
yeah vele group edlalayo manje iphangoma ehlabantu angisho bayibona kone ngaphansi abangayiboni Masipala imalikini yabo laba nje babona abantu after bona kunabanye futhi esikho introduce la
kancane luya introduce because of no one goalkeeper wathi nomunye leyo kumchisco bese ivimba ku downs manje
khuzwayo
you saw babaningi kancane ukuthi uyadevelop so since ulayini sona academy so ina how many years in academy yakho
bana 2 years unabafana base clubhouse nababuya ama province namaphandle then team development solo ikhona angeke stop kunama player local kunama player amaphandle lapha so yona enye nje progress ensembo kakhulu abantu basazoyibona
yabazoyibona ideveloper kancane
nama players amaningi and so introduce namanje ku-champ of champ laba bebadlala abanye bazorest ukudlala abanye
ngalaba kuyachinja kahle
laba bayitholile chance
kubonakala abanye manje so manje ke i5 year plan yakho ngedevelopment yakho ufuna ukuyibona phi i-developer because of I don't think uthini uya developer phela then yanikana you now ne plan la ukuthi okay in 5 years time abantu mangaba la mangathola sponsors thizeni ukuphi kahle
no i-development currently dlala kuKhubuleni Gold 1 League no it's your plan angisho sabahlanganisa labafana ba understand the team kanjani after 2 years kumele baye ku GDL bayadlala ku stream A and lapho I think bazothola ama opportunity amaningi then kuye SAB isizini yokustril lezo start kumele compete because it's not 2 seasons sidlala ngasame team babancane banabo 16 17 18 next year bazabe sebajwayele secompete SAB because namanje currently si number 4 yabo ngabo labafana abancane lapha sinabantu abayi2 mhlawumbe bakhulile next season definitely sure kumele sizithola kuma playoff after my playoff masinenhlanhla yethu songena nje ku-EPC
ngamnandi
sibabonisa possible
yenzeka la ingehluka ngicabanga
yenzeka man my like us eduze abantu abayithathe
sibasa
once masithi
because of yeah, I want to watch the episode kaJuna Khanyo athi abuza ngazi bekabuza why athi like why thina eCatoras yonke singana club yethu but then amaplay amabhaya phuma eCatoras
ngabona amakhuluma ngoJuna Khanyo yili Hotman manje engikhuluma nalo every day elimkhuthazayo elifoster namajita yabo bheka lo muntu uva uhlala eThwathu bavala abala ikhasi ngathi ama former PSL players nelinye Hotman skill lo elantawo yibo kuphela abantu bava abajita bazokhuthaza lento
nebabhaya bakhona
bathi ndoda mkayile ntwana nekhaphi ejimini lapha angisho mina ngibuya la ethi ngikhaphi bayithi akekho
bazifihli
computer nalabafana which is
enye into
abazokhuthaza abantu abaseThwathu bakhona la
ekhasi because vele ngidlala ngabantwana
into kulala into ezibhaya la italent libhatho koze kakhulu mfowethu lapha kusho umuntu ezothi asikise lapha kancane abanye baba
wabona
ukuthi ayi mhlawumbe uzoba ngcono kunami
bangithathe umsebenzi
ayisifani kanjalo
but even mina into lamadazi
akuyena abantwana eCatoras babe baningi lapha kunini sibukela iWest iWest iphosa thina singaki mabangahlanganisa iCatoras sonke so angahlanganisa 10 players ekuProside
manje
no currently masithi yabala babali nithi but italent
ni
bhala why asincedani thina mfethu masingafunda ukuncedana into enhle mayibona ingcono ngiyamthatha umfana umkhaphi lapha bewuye umfana ongathi uyala usaka actor big kuyabo ubuyithi le ntwana yakho ngithi yabo but amajite ekhasi yenzi ngithi mhlambe kube bekusaphila lo Scar yiyo nje le Hotman nayo la ekhasi yabo beyinayo lento le thatha amajita yabo mhlambe kube bekusaphila kube ibhola likhoso phela sideserve man uma players wethu maningi aloku ayaphuma uyospan babreaka nini through PSL
yeah because of
masithi isidinga inhlanhla ngithathu ngiyise ngihluleke
ngihluleke ngangini yami yabo ngoba njobe sino 50 last la u50 said the same thing team into ezibhala like siyazikhisha thina bajika bakhishana ngokwabo bafuna ukubhekelana but yeah intunyaza ziyenzeka I feel like because of when I need development now believe in my playing wakho it's more like how do you take like final I guess that was a competitive final towards against Break Jobo against the Snake against Dumevula and I guess the age group benjana now so it's more it's like for like
and then alafu kunabethu basidlaleli
people are like twins
labona iSnake manje final top team iSnake yabo just nabo kumele ba trust iprocess mayengayenzeki manje isazoyenzeka manje as long bazostika together labantu labaya yabo cause enye into ecabanisa inyuku basaba nenyuku seba problem team icabitsi that's why mina sometimes ngithanda ukuwina yabo thanda sidlale basikhumbule ukuthi esanilizi ya then ama players will ispart
simple
cause kunabanye abazoinfluence intwana hey bani ngoba ini yabo angayiboni into esharp athanda ezi team impushile yabo why wana team so masifika le final hayi flop ku disaster front three yami yonke kuyejini manje tournament 13 players and masap check mhlawumbe besapa one chinjisana so umuntu wami besingasayi
for life
just besigcwalisela lapha ngaphandle intwana ezincane zamanda 17 ukuthi bhekani nibone impambweni ukuthi lento kanjani
yenze
yeah besibancane amajita bangayakho bavayile semakhaya nabo bazodlala final phupho sejimini sikho sejimini Sundowns sikho sejimini okay ngiyabatshela ke mina labantu masibuye King emadoda kumele ngicale one sine squad esincane ne bona sibabonile bebana rotate abaplayer mina from day one since so up until manje kumele kube sikhathele asinayinyawo bagayeni position nathi yawazi ukudlala hayi ukuthi asikwazi bagayeni position senze ngathi bayadlala sizobahetha bazovula noma kanjani. That's why sikhona amagoli so bayavula lapha angisho masinele position injury ngibona kahle kulula kanti asimele moment kahle ethi ucheck bebangafiki kakhulu emapalini wethu besibamela la so sivala lapha badlali bayibuyisela emuva ama fullback akukhuphuka ngishiyela abantu ePC but bona take nothing away from them. Team top abathi siphinde final singayibuyisa imali idlaleni futhi for bona abakredi
winje ibhola kuphela akuzona they play good
football.
I guess
ngenzeka yabo
but ke ngiyabelieve ukuthi Nevulana is the best coach esinayo like us because of my ufana nawe akalovi Jimmy every day Ramani Jimmy sama play 4 Nevula Ramani Jimmy sama play 5 and the show ya believe na kula ma player la bathi akekho lo make you play best player if I'm not mistaken but yeah
ngiyakhuluma na
but yeah ngicethisha TC ke manje yazi inale player nje ubani ndana lewe ku captain yakho Ntana so Ntana manje now I've heard so much now and the into is by good stories and in running sharp nan so like akekho umuntu oyeza kuwatha feature mara because of nami ngine-plan lokushini kuphi somewhere la ntwana le angayithola
hayi kwamanje next but mina ngiziphakamela ngisho ngithi imali talent lapha ayashoda ama-center back afana naye and yazi le ntwana le ngiyibona igrowa so ufike ethi mina na-13 la aletha ubhaka bebadlala ubhaka bethokoza angalethela yena na-13 sharp ma na-13 asicoach siyakujimisa sikubheka udlala ngisho but yena ngimbona growa azanayo le nto up until awile player yilo namhlanje and azange kube lula check-a lo muntu usuke ethokoza uhlala la bekahlala emdakana sijime e-Harvard abanye abantu ukhrisana futhi check-a le distance makabuye esikoleni ushiye incwadi bayehla ngenyawo akusuye one baye e-Harvard bajima abalovi labantu labo bahlezi bakhona bebawoka yabo bekayazi into ayifunayo
hard repairs
manje into complete so sekumele ahambe kwenye level ayicoach abanye abantu yabo nama mistakes ayikuthi awayenza kakhulu ilikini so ngimtshela 1 2 3 fixa lana labo but uma tournament perform kahle kakhulu man usibhayisile yena uzenzelile igama nami nanoma bathi bafuna i-center back anginamahloni ukuthi endoda awusiye sopanda futhi isizini yaphela sizodlala lama-friendly lawo kumele abayijuda bathole bavulela 7 makamba 3
yabona-ke futhi kuvulekayo kwanye ama-speed futhi kahle wena nje uyakhulisa and anyway angasho ukuthi congratulations ngokuwina i-El Clasico yes i-tournament enkulu eFoslorus inkulu le tournament eFoslorus because of wonke umuntu was Foslor mara kunama-tournament everywhere mara came to Foslorus was good game Foslorus but you managed to win it ngabantwana ngisengithi development ngiconsider one goal tournament one
yiyo le ma-10 deflection angathi abheke each group emuva ke 2006-5 kusasa ama-under
ma-artist ama-under
bakhona uconcile igoli eli-1
tournament yonke
so iqala lapha i-foundation kumele ucale phansi angeke indluse lapha phezulu bangaconcile nama-chances okuwin tournament because bengi-check-a labantu abanye idlala nabo check overland ibuye udlala previous tournament inabo 4-3 hayi akusithi mathuka bayakoreka thina zilonke singaconsider
so kahle you do i-research yakho kahle
nalabadlala nabo i-quarter final abantu bawine 7-2 or 7-1 okay sure
bayakoreka
le-2
ingenile sibadle
nathi sakora le-2 thina sikhiya amashop
ngiya amashop ngicabanga udlala ngabantwana
nabo labo beseme okay 1 2 3 bayavuleka so abona isky game kakhulu eze-final top team nabantu laba bayithina badlala ke-SAB bawu-number 1 ngalevala bo top kakhulu futhi yiwo ama-team angathi singadlala nabo kakhulu yibo COVID yabo uyabona ukuthi amajita lapha kuyadlalwa akunanto eziningi
sigijimisa ngemali
nokuthi imali sekumele silwe ngaphandle ko-coach kumele intimidate ama-players wangu ngizophendula nami yabo so bona abajita badlala disk mfethu
so ngiyakubona i-enjoyile kakhulu enjoyile game sometimes shuthi you more enjoy game efair and idlalekayo ibhola both sides and so nje especially mangathi ngidlala abantwana abancane so kulamayini uma age group yakho uthi kwana 17 unamba baluleni
isizini iqala kusasa
leyiqedile
i-SAB is number 4 no kusele 4 games which is siyadlala saphindile so sidlalela 12 point and abalapha phezulu ama 6 points 7 points and kune 12 points kumele sidlalele anything is possible
should ungayithopa nokuyithopa leli playoffs
balahla asibhekana thina sibheke lethu ukuthi sibe ku better position ngasizini plan saphuma ku number 10 asizini ngasenthi senthi na ku top 4 match mayingasipali uyava ubona ukuthi angalungisa kuphi nakuphi ukuze sipali okay lo performa kahle lapha siyalepha ithi sithole umunye ozomphusha into ezinjalo yabo hayi ukuthi masilethi players ithukhipha le complete but makunomuntu abonayo ngathi uzocompete nayo aphi game omncane kunayo bona 18 udlala lapha ubona ngathi ucedile letho 16 ngikhiphe ngimfake masidlala into maintain so iflop ukuthi intwana ezibhayo mfethu zona zadlaliwa igame kahle izicedile igame eyi-1
azimaintain
akumele udlala igame eyi-1 uthi ucedile ungadlala manje goalkeeper wethu uthanda asifinise lapha save ama-penalty ayi-2 or 3 sharp sihamba siligame Saturday final beMonday Saturday sadlala igame lapha saconsider 3 goals sawina 4-3 which is ama-flop wakhe yabona ngingamremind phela i-tournament wenze kahle lapha sesilapha
campaign
why mele uzoconsider because yabo sacama ukuthi yonke into ilula ayikho lula
tournament ayifane tonini league
hayi akunabantu lapha mhlawumbe sibume 30 sibukele lapha so ayifana
ayisafani nepressure
ngenzima ukumaintain just ukufika la kulula yabo njengoba abafana lento le standards abasetting kuba nzima no
baski
once mababona igama lethu tournament saba ne-idea yabo bani because manje masikhona hayi abobani lavo yabo zivele intwana zibakala performances wini no sekumele ba-maintain part enzima kakhulu epholweni lapha maintain kunzima mfethu abaningi abalast yabo babloma laphaya khona amathimu ayawina ka-1 tournament after a babavela sesiyagcinisa siyabadla so thina we maintain obvious into elula trainer sibe together sibe discipline check
simple sibuye sodlala ibhola esilazini
mabasondela salaphaya
simple and manje ndo right because of umnani bawuthi mawucanga ukusofile lapha ngifuna 16 ngekodisa wena so manje mangithi ngiceceshe good development mathi ngishilela ku coach abayi5 ukubelieve ukuthi i-development yabo it's giving ngakayichallenge aba-coach ayo or baye ba-coacha before abakunika i-challenge wena mabadlala phezulu
mazethu ukuze isineke currently yabo masizoza ikhasi lami kaTlongo ngicuma abantu esithi laba i-team development in 5 years time bazolokuba
abekho
hayi abanye scross CFO sikhona i-overflow uyabona ukuthi bamba endleleni kahle yabo just now bengibatshela ukuthi ninga-compare nalaba balaba vayani gym yabo coach overflow Titosi then masiya e-Davidson bekunenyathi yami amabherede usiphayo ngayo i-development beyiza sharp ikhipha amapromise omkuma abo bamfana nje super sport striker bathi ukhama yana i-development masiphumile se-Davidson besazi sodlala nabantu khona nenye yangale e-Davidson uBhajo Davidson City nabo strong then ezokugcina FC Chile ezasethembisa yiba ngibonayo ukuthi basendleleni ekhaya hayi kasilami nje ileague khona ama-team ababeke yabo ngama-event obvious event hosta iyaphela then after event iyakhulunywa ngabo so akusabantu engabamenshini kangako but bakhona bathandwayo kasilami ngabo.
So bangathi no lesi bathi wena focusa ku-first team ungasayinayo lesi the likes of under 17, 19, 20 wena no sesifocusise ku-first team ku-Khathiwa Juventus which coaches like ongawabiza uthini okay wena ungangicoachela under 19 wena ungangicoachela under 17 wena ungangicoachela 15 wena ungangicoachela 13.
Well, when you structure ngaso akhona ama-GT esibhala nawo yabo so akhona nalakhona umunye umfana uMusa Makhanya yabo so kulo muntu lo noma ngekho kusini yabo akakhona ukumanage yabo njengathi today nesijima lezi ezinye za-under 19 10 first team bejima nayo ngo-9 kumele umunyele wavana isimo ajimisa lezi ezinye laphaya enye uMusa Makhanya nayo mayengabhloma kanje hayi ubona ukuthi coaches engizobona la ayiyo lo musi ngisifana nayo neyinthepho seshi yabo chithi maya ngifuna abantu mina abazofuna ngathi angithi ukhompyutha nabo and angithi ngihlala ngirayithi yabo umuntu mangizothi impisone yena akangitshele angayiboni so yabo akangitshele ukuthi masingayithi yabo angifuni uzothi emakhoneni ayikho lento bekayisho yabo masabe so mangithi lento siyenza so wena uyarayithi ukungitshela ukuthi masingayithi ingalunga fast yabo so angifunda bocoach labo banjalo most ama-cheat asekhaya yabo sithanda ukubhedmotana into ezinjalo hence umuntu engasipana nawo ukugcina umevule phela abanye
bakuthi uMazakaza
Mazakaza nayo umunye coach ogrand kakhulu especially kuma-under 13 yabo isipani sabo Mazakaza wayengeke sisibona ne thina siyasibona isisebholweni le ntwana zinga-11 yazikhulisa zibe grand 13 yabo once le ntwana seyina 17 sesibona ucoach under 17
and samboni lo ya
ngalo mchita lo phansi isipani top coach la ngispanile naye leSpark ngabe rival yakhe yasifana ku-Hyper yena futhi bekaskimene Hotman elisiliya Charles yabo ngamjwala kanjalo Mazakaza ngabona ukuthi le mayizovana la uthi Islam so shoot out take naye top coach yabo waproduce ama-player naye abonta inkosi njengoba dlala ku-Sundowns first team bekacoach ayile akhuthalele le mayihola le yakhe becolela ukuthenga izinto so ama-Weetabix ama-Kellogg's yomgane esikhulu ngenyuki yakhe asanadetile kufana lo namhlanje udlala ku-first team but abantu abazi yana umcoach otop under 13 top ngiyamhlonipha kakhulu ineminyaka coach under 13
akafunika under 13 uyamazi
coach izilama
mqeqeshi azini sesiyivala manje sesiyivala mqeqeshi ngithi so sesiyivala mqeqeshi manje ngifuna ungiphe amagama nekuthini what like we advise ama-players lawa azitshela ukuthi sewa makhulu nebholini because of I guess unawo ama-player azitshela ukuthini sewa makhulu ukudlula ibhola sewazi ibhola like yini abangayenza because of I guess yenye into ebhayisa amajita amabhaya ukuthi masewa amadala sicala lento ukuthi siphuze utshwala sigijimisa amantombazana safocus kulento le esisila senzeka khona phela manje ibhola I don't think isese i-hobby manje i-career manje into yenza ungaphila ngayo ngiyayibona so manje and asafani na before ecaleni nangidlala benginganayithombe yabo ushutwa ngefoni ngecamera qha iphele kanjalo but manje kunomuntu ovela lapha sho yo this boy my people njengovina wena like ezusho upopo like exposure nethola ngovina because of namanje mawungena kuvina snaps you still find ilento kaPopo lapha so what are your advice kubo wathi
amajita kumele acabe ukuthi afunani empilweni yabo ezinye izinto azibaleki mfethu sibonile utshwala baleki bazokutshela abanye ukuthi abelungu bayaphuza abadlali asabelungu thina mfethu ungakhona ukuphuza ubuyiperforma kahle ne but izokucash up nawe lento leyo akunanto ngathi baba ama-shortcuts awasebenzi ama-cheat awafocus most yabo abokho grand emakuba yabo abanye abekho grand eskiller but banalo italent yabo kungathi bangaphila babe patient yabo badlala ibhola bahlukene nento ezibhaya mfethu abotshwala abantombazana angeze silazi lento lezo singazicala thina manje because sesiyaguja thina shaba manqodo kusipana team ukuthi wena udinga ibody yakho ukuthi usipane lapha uzoperforma kanjani sohlala uphuzile angeke sithi stress ukuthi awuna team ukuze uthole i-team angeke uthole une-team mawunganayo shaba awunayo sipana nawe lapha vuka ekuseni utraine uthole i-team angathi izodlala iligi yesebutshanini udlale lapha ebutshanini then uyahamba ufuna isipana akusubani nobani uzosuke ebhucunayo laphaya straight uhlangabezana nezinye izinto ezinzima laphaya ungazi ukuthi kujinywa kanjani awukazi wazibona wena mawufika nje ejimini wazi ukuthi sijama around sidlala ibhola yabo
because people akusiyibhola
akusiyibhola mfethu idinga into ezibhaya discipline futhi yekhiwe hayi ukuthi mawudiscipline ukuthi mehlali laphaya ungaphumi wenze imhlalo usendlini awuzophuma ukuphuma but uzihloniphe abantu kakhulu abantu because yibo abantu lapha bakuyenza kulo umuntu because mawuzodlala laphaya abantu yibo abakuncedayo laphaya if abantu uzodlala ubuye etshwaleni laphaya bathi hayi besinayo lo izolo but simbone uzenzani mawucala wenze mistake enormal yenza unoma ubani ulo tshwala babo so yabona nje ama-cheat focus babe patient mfethu yenzeka lento leyo nabo tiko bangena bana 27 tikumndisi but angithi somba amajini afanayo if aphumelelanga na-diski nangesikila nangesipano ugrand lapha nediscipline yana lapho kungayi emsebenzini uphuzile esandini angeke nalapho idiscipline iyafuneka still so just mina nalezami ngizithishela ukuthi idiscipline nasempilweni hayi ukuthi ibhola nje kuphela because mabakhindile ama-footballer labantu mabaceda ukukhulula ama-human beings bayaphila kahle njengomuntu umuntu lapha so after lapho wenzani ungangena egrawundini uperforma 90 minutes sekushayela izandla uperform then i-challenge iba kuphi after game at 6 o'clock wena wenzani up until ekuseni so uyaphuma wenzani kumele bakubone isipani lento leyo mfethu hence that's why lezi zami ezinje angithi ziphethe yabo but ngiyazama noma banokumdabula but ngiyazama ukuthi madoda nayo enganiphilisa yabo check ama-PSL dlala into encane
slowly but sure
mangizibheka ngikompare nalezi zalayikasi lezi zalayikasi fabhethe so ukuthi lento ukuthi discipline sesichaza ukuthi top 4 top 8 icedile uwile top 8
icedile 200 nyano
which is ayisipani kanjalo so ababe patient nabo coach babona ngathi ayisipani kahle bilivele entweni yakho push uzobona ukuthi uzobheka lapho nabafethu
hayi mceceshi ikuzwakele esiva la mfethu we want to say thank you to Emulibeng for giving us a space, ne-RNC for giving us a space. And ngibonge nami mceceshi ngiziphi isikhathi ukuthi uze ngayi usitshela isitori sakho ngeklub yakho iDaxwa Juventus and nali cups sabonga ukuthi uzele nalo ukuthi at least babone ukuthi you just the one and it's one of many it's one of many so ngiyabonga mceceshi. Ngiyabonga mfethu.